prove that 1 plus 1 is equals to 0. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Filipino Explaining. You have been asked to prove that 1 plus 1 is equals to 0. I can say that this question is very easy to prove just by following mathematics and with some property of complex number. 1 plus 1 is equals to 0. Solution. One plus 1 can be written as 1 plus the square root of 1, which is the same as 1 plus the square root of -1 dot -1. I mean -1, the product of -1 and -1 under a square root, which can also be written as 1 plus the square root of -1 times the square root of -1. The same thing. Remember, a dot b under a square root is the same as the square root of a times the square root of b. This is what we are doing here. The same thing, we can also write this as 1 plus I times I. Remember, I is equals to the square root of -1. The square root of -1 is equals to I. That's why I have said that 1 plus the square root of -1 times the square root of -1 is the same as 1 plus I times I, since I is equals to the square root of -1. Are we there? Okay. We continue. This can also be written as 1 plus, remember, I times I squared, is the same as 1 plus -1. Remember, I squared is equals to -1. If we square here, it will be I squared. If you square here, it will remain with -1. So I squared is equal to -1. That's why I have written 1 plus -1. And this becomes 1 minus 1, which is equals to 0. And now you have proved that 1 plus 1 is equals to 0. Hope you understand. Thanks so much for watching. Till next time, bye bye.